friends, welcome to my latest unboxing video. Today we are going to be boxing the Freemir 4-tier storage rack, and the colour I've chosen is black. Okay, let's see what's inside. You can see it's really nicely packaged. And it's a lovely strong material, it's metal, so this is a really durable rack. You can see. So it comes with the poles and the trays. Okay. Also got covers for the trays. And the all-important instruction manual. Okay, tune in next time to watch me assemble it. Thanks for watching.